Today I am going to explain how you can use AI to build websites which are production grade quality and ready to deploy. Believe it or not, using AI in process of web development can significantly decrease your time you spend on coding. In this video, I will give you very oversimplified method to use Vercel V0 AI for web development. Before we get started, remember that you will need basic coding skill like HTML, CSS and JavaScript along with knowledge of Next.js, Tailwind CSS and Shad CN. Now let's get started by first understanding concept of V0. Vercel V0 generates website UI using three basic building blocks, that is Next.js, which serve as primary framework, Tailwind CSS for CSS designing and layout, Shad CN for various UI elements. You need to learn and master these three so that you can edit and modify the code generated by V0 AI. If you think AI will handle all coding, then it is a wrong way of thinking, because V0 AI will give you a base UI code to work with and you have to copy it and modify it according to your needs and requirements. Now let's understand how you can get more high quality output, which is website UI from text prompt. In Vercel V0, you have to write a text message or a prompt in a fancy words, and V0 AI will generate a UI code based on it. It will be better if you write in detail. The more detailed prompt is, the more accurate output will be. I would suggest to write and experiment with various prompts and generate at least 10 to 15 UI output, and out of those sort out the ones which are suitable for you. Later you can copy paste it into your own project to modify it. Now you have bunch of website UI designs built by AI. This is like a base code for you, and next step is to modify it according to your needs and requirements. This is the point where your coding skills will play a very important role. You have to understand how AI has written the code and which property to modify and many other nuances so that you can build website according to your fit. Vercel V0 use Shad CN and Tailwind in all of their AI outputs of website design. So you will have to work with Shad CN and Tailwind to modify the code along with Next.js as a web framework. V0 also produce basic HTML outputs which contain Tailwind CSS only, but I prefer to work with React and Next.js. And that's it, your website is ready. It is as simple as it is. Understand the concept, use the right prompt to generate high quality of code and modify it as per to your wish. In this way, you can build website quickly. In fact, my own blog is made with the help of Vercel V0 AI in just 4 days. Let me know in the comments below what's your way of using AI in web development. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe if you love tech and coding.